So Bob's over here in the other section working on this truck. You want to tell us a little about this thing?
Yeah, it's a 85 K20 four-wheel drive pickup truck. Customer dropped it off to us with just a LSA long block with a blower sitting on it. And that's it. And he just said he wants AC, he wants a 6-speed transmission, he wants the four-wheel drive still. Just kind of said do whatever, make it fun to drive. We have the AC, the vintage air, like kind of mocked up in it right now. Just received the 6-speed that has an adapter to put a transfer case on it. So that's our next thing to tackle, to get that in there. And so we're just kind of picking away at it. It's a lot to do. We're gonna knock it out one piece at a time. It's got a whole new front drive on it for all the accessories. We gotta get a heat exchanger in there. There's a lot of room in trucks, but certain areas get tight quick when you add AC to a truck that never had AC, and heat exchangers when it never had a heat exchanger. So we got the ice tank in the bed. So that's where we got the most room. It's just a little 7.5 gallon. Just to give it, well, I mean, it'd probably never dump ice in this thing. It's got like, 38s on it or something. But just, there's more volume, so it'll help cool everything down better. Like I said, there'll be a heat exchanger in the front. So it should do just fine like that. I don't know, maybe he'll take it like mud bogging or something. He can dump a big bag of ice in there if he wants. I gotta mount the Holley Dominator, trying to figure out where that's gonna go. There's a lot of room under the dash in these things. But again, with the AC unit, that's all under dash now. Nothing's up front like it would have been for the factory. I don't think this was a factory air truck anyways, but that's it for now, I think. We'll probably have a little bit more next week as we get our ideas together on where everything needs to go and start getting it together. Like I said, it just takes time. It'll be neat when it's all done. Just gonna be a little while.
So, little rear mount C6 Z, twin turbo. It's obviously just in for a tune.
Half-inch head studs.
What fuel is it on?
85.
Is it?
Flex fuel, but probably do a little bit on pump gas. Right now it's got 85 in it, so we'll just tune on 85 and then go back to pump.
Okay.
So, like I said, it's not really going to get driven on pump gas, kind of like emergency situations.
Interested to see what it does. I mean, rear mounts used to get such a bad name, but they really are capable.
Whoever built this car did a good job, though.
Yeah.
Underneath, really nice. I think he said it has 67s on it. We did a car with 6870 precisions and it made 1800 to the tire. So we didn't build the car, but it looks decent. It doesn't look like someone in their backyard did it, so it should probably make pretty good power if I had to guess.
Starting off small. Okay. Is that still on gate?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
8.5 pounds.
Damn. Yeah, this thing's gonna make a lot. So it was what, 66s, not 67s?
66, yeah.
Okay. Whatever.
Bullseye 66s. So.
Okay.
I can like feel the car gradually lifting up though. Like, yeah, it just feels like tame, then it's like boom. It's just like.
What RPM is like getting into boost? I know it's early, but still.
Like honestly 4,000 really, but like it doesn't see full boost until about 5.
Okay.
But it's got twins on it.
Yeah.
In the back, so it's normal. It's normal.
Yeah. Everybody just thinks rear mount's like, oh, nothing.
It actually isn't bad at all.
No.
Like this thing's pretty responsive.
It sounds like it.
Not even induced yet. Like, wait until this thing hits like 20, 25 pounds.
Oh, I'm excited.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. That was 20.
Okay. So disregard fuzz listening to Shakira.
It's out of injector. This thing could probably make 1500 pretty easily, but it just hit like 98% duty cycle on the injector, so it'll probably call it quits right there. Like I said, I don't think he really cared about the number. So that was on 20 pounds.
Okay.
So doesn't seem like the turbos are out yet. I would think 30 pounds they could probably handle, which 15, 1600 probably. So
That's it.
yeah.
Well, it's still pretty killer.
Yeah, for 20 pounds, it's pretty good.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll take it.
A lot of stuff make like that power lift.
Yeah. That's good.
I had Johnny's car make 1300 on 18 pounds.
Yeah.
Lower car.
1327 963 SAE. How bad? So Cody, what do you got going on in the ZL1?
So this is a recent customer of ours. He's back in today to get a couple more mods done. Last time he was here, we did a ported blower, upper pulley, just some basic bolt-ons. This go around, we're gonna do a meth kit by Alki. We're gonna use all of our nice Brown and Miller line on the meth kit. Headers, ATI lower with the 917, K-Tech throttle body, and a retune.
Okay. So nothing crazy, no cam or anything?
No cam, it's basically a full bolt-on car. It also is on the 85.
So this is the ZL1 Cody was finishing up.
We added headers, lower, meth, 917 lower.
Okay.
And we're not spinning the blower really hard. And we added a throttle body. We should be called the ZL1 shop because like we do nothing but these cars.
Hey, you got a lot of C7Zs in right now.
C7Zs do come in a lot for like the stage 4 package.
Yeah.
The ZL1s come in for all the bolt-ons. It's funny how it works, but
I was gonna say, you guys definitely do more LT4s than anybody I've seen.
we do probably 80% of our work LT4s. We don't even do the LT1. I mean, we do LT1s, but they just don't come here. You know, we're known for LT4 stuff.
Hey, you've got them figured out.
Yeah.
For sure.
Definitely hard to do compared to a LS, and they run better. I don't care what anyone says. They definitely run better.